Hi, Coconut99, and today is all about the Leopard Slug. Welcome you back to Reptile Planet. Here he is, the little leopard slug. He's hiding right now, so you just caught him. He's getting ready to come out of his shell now. Well, he'll get done to have a shell. Now, leopard slugs are basically a wide dispersed slug species, but the original area is basically from Europe. So the reason I get their name leopard slugs, you see very closely that little nice little leopard pattern on a nice brown grayish pattern, kind of like black spots. Almost kind of like a leopard. See, look at that. So leopard slugs are very, very slow creatures. Now, they don't travel very fast, but they are everywhere. On moist areas, they'll be in damp areas, damp gardens. After rain season, they'll be out and about. And these guys will be all over the place. So in damp areas, gardens, you can find them. Even on human homes after it rains, you can find them right outside your door. So leopard slugs are an interesting creature, even though they are invasive in the United States. In Europe, they're quite common. Australia, they also can be found. Now, these guys are only going to around 20 centimeters long. They will get quite big. When fully extended, they can be very long. When they're threatened, they'll kind of like shrink back into like a little, almost kind of like a little, it's like going inside themselves to hide from predators when they're threatened, just how you saw before you came out of the shell. This is a good little slug. Now these guys are omnivores, so they will eat anything. I do mean anything. They'll eat carrion, plants, animal feces. They will eat anything. Doesn't really necessarily matter to them. So they do have a very range diet. They're not very picky as a slug. This guy's trying to go, so he's trying to leave. Now, during the breeding season, females will lay up to hundreds of eggs. What are you doing? Females will lay up to 100 of eggs. So, yeah, these guys do have a really large breeding cycle. Around 2 years old. They do lay a lot of eggs, makes the population a lot more healthy. They do produce a lot of eggs. But yeah, and they are very, very slow. They say turtles are slow. These guys are slower. Yeah, look at that. Look at that gorgeous slug. It may be weird to some people, and other people it's very, very fascinating. And those two, that's not, especially how they navigate, how they sense the world. They're trying to sense me right now, saying like, oh, what am I? I also feel him like, almost trying to feel like him like grinding his jawline on my hand, but it doesn't really hurt very much. But he's trying to figure out who I am, where he's trying to go, how I can go and stuff. And yeah, look at that beautiful slug, that beautiful color paint on the back. Yeah, the leopard slug, a very interesting slug species. Now, they are invasive, so like any invasive species, rules are you don't want to try to eradicate the species, but there's still research being done if there are causing mayhem in the ecosystem, but it doesn't seem like it. But like I said, there's still more questions and answers. But it is a very gorgeous slug species to see in the wild. But yeah, check that out. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please the like button. If you have any questions, post it down in the comments. Don't forget, subscribe for more content. And I will see you all next time. Remember, let's get little guy go. I'll say see you guys in the next one. Bye.